diseases like hypertension and the rest.
Fantastic, Dr. Sedonia. Exactly as you said.
After some time, they're going to stop the intermittent fasting and revert back to their normal eating anyway, which is so I get your point. Now, somebody is asking, is honey like recommended?
Honey, okay. Thank you very much. Actually, that's one of my research areas. That's my thesis. I did a thesis on the effects of honey, white and brown sugar on glucose levels and lipid profiles using experimental rat models. And the whole objective of the research work was to find out, there were undocumented and unsubstantiated claims that honey is better than brown sugar, which is also better than white sugar. So we wanted to probe and find out that this honey that we are championing, and you hear all sorts of adverts on radio and TV that honey is this, honey is good, it cures diabetes, it reduces your risk of cancer and all sorts of things. Is it true? So we investigated it, we put it to a test, and guess what? The results that came out after a 90-day, trial or 90-day study period. It was a chronic study because the animals were on their normal diet. At the same time, they were eating, in addition to the normal diet, honey or white sugar or brown sugar. We had 3 different groups of animals for that matter, and those that were on none of them. That was the control group. Okay, they were just eating their standard normal food. Okay, so those on the sugar actually we calculate a quantity and dissolve it in about 1 milliliter of water and gavage the animals. So this is a scientific process of forcefully making the animals ingest the solution. So we did it for sugar, we did it for honey, we did it for brown sugar for 90 days. And the results was that blood samples were taken to the lab and we ran the test. And we saw that honey did exactly the same thing as brown sugar would do, same thing as white sugar would do. So, it answered the question, and it's very clear. Sometimes we go for ward rounds, okay, and you find patients on admission who are diabetic, and they have honey on their side bed. And you ask them, why do you have honey here? They'll tell you that, I'm told it's better. I'm told honey is a healthier option. And these are the undocumented, unsubstantiated claims I'm talking about. So therefore, the research work was to debunk, investigate and probe further to understand the